Hi there, seniors. I am Ms. Kreider, and I am in charge of your graduation. We had a senior assembly on Wednesday the 26th, and this video is to review what we went over in that assembly, as well as for any of you that might have missed the assembly. All right, so what you need to know is I will be communicating with you about all graduation details through Backpack. So that means that you do have to check those Backpack emails. You also can sign up to have Backpack notifications sent to your cell phone, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So it is imperative that you are responsible for checking your school email, okay? You have to check your Backpack account with your notifications. You can even sign up for Backpack Text. I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. This is how I will tell you what's going on with graduation. I will send you lots of reminders, including this video, through Backpack. So you've got to check them. All right. So I went over this in the assembly. I went over this very quickly. So feel free to pause this video and go through these instructions if I'm going too fast. But I think that all of us are more likely to look at our cell phone text than we are to look at maybe an email. So you can sign up for text from Backpack. So you just go to the little icon like you would to always go to Backpack. You would sign into Backpack just like you would for everything else. Sign into Backpack. When you get there, click on the little cog wheel right here. It should be kind of in the top right-hand corner. Click on the cog wheel, and it's going to get this screen. And you're going to see right here where I circled in red, it says mobile phone. So click mobile phone. And here's where you're going to add your mobile phone. So click that, and you will type in what your cell phone number is. Type your cell phone number is. Make sure you include the area code. I'll move this so you can see you do have to choose your cell phone provider. I know it's kind of cut off down here, but if your cell phone provider is Straight Talk or Total Wireless, and just pick Verizon because that's actually owned by Verizon for that to work. And then once you fill in your cell phone information, then basically you'll get a text. It's kind of that two-factor authentication thing. So you'll get a text with 6-digit verification. You'll type it in to this verification. Then basically it's making sure that Backpack is connected to your cell phone, which is ultimately what you want it to be. All right. And then make sure you go into your notifications as well, and make sure you allow Backpack to text you so that you get all the notifications. So if that was really fast, just back up this video and pause the video and go step by step and sign yourself up for text message notifications. If you have any trouble with that, come see me in 933 and I will sit with you and we will do it together. Okay. So our assembly was about purchasing your cap and gown. Okay. So you need to know that Herff Jones is coming to JL Mann next Tuesday. So this is Tuesday the 1st, Tuesday, November 1st. They will be here during all 4 lunches to take your orders for cap and gowns. Herff Jones will take cash, check, money order, credit card, or debit card. Now, I will tell you, and I want to warn you, that if you are planning to pay with cash, check, or money order, this is the only day that you can do that because Herff Jones is not coming back to JL Mann after November 1st. So if you plan on purchasing your cap and gown with cash, check, or money order, it has got to be next Tuesday. You do have the option to order your cap and gown online, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, those of you who were at the assembly, you know that you got this little document. If you were not at the assembly, just come by my classroom, 933, and I will give you this document. Inside this document, it tells you a couple of things. One, it has this letter that tells you November 1st is when Herff Jones is going to be at JL Mann, so you can buy your cap and gown then. And it also had your order document right here. So you can see what I have circled and highlighted in green. So you may be looking at this order document going, well, how do I order my cap and gown? Like, there's a lot of information on here. All you have to order is you just circle this one, like, right here in the middle. You circle this one that says, I want to purchase my cap, gown, tassel, and diploma cover. That is what you are required to purchase. So circle that one, fill in your payment information, bring that on Tuesday, bring that to the cafeteria on Tuesday so that you can order your cap and gown. Or if you have a credit card or debit card and you don't want to wait in the line that will be on Tuesday, you can go ahead and order online. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I have written out step-by-step directions right here in the Senior Spotlight. The Senior Spotlight, I showed you all this during the assembly. The Senior Spotlight tells you exactly how to order your cap and gown. Here are the exact directions. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so this shows up in the video. And we are going to go step by step and order the cap and gown. Okay, so and you have access to this document. If you remember, I showed you in the assembly, you access the Senior Spotlight, you go to the JL Mann webpage, you click on Students, and then, of course, I'm in the way. And then you click on Senior Spotlight right here. So you went to Students, Senior Spotlight right there. here we are. We are in the document that we need to be in, okay? So what you do is you click on the link that is provided. So click on the link, okay? Because you can access this document, click on the link, okay? So you went to the link, step 1, go to the link. Step 2, scroll down the page and use the search bar and type in JL Mann. So we're gonna scroll down the page right here, school name, J.L. and it will populate, okay? Don't put the J and the L without the period, it won't work. So J.L. JL Mann, there we go, class of 2023, that's what you are. And then we're going to hit next. Okay, so that was step 2 and that was step 3. All right, on this page, click graduation products. That's going to be up here at the top. If I make it bigger, it'll be there, right there, graduation products. Okay, so we clicked on graduation products. All right, and now when you get here, now you need to select your graduation products. Okay, now the first page you get to, you're like, whoa, $479. Whoa, that's expensive. Listen, that's if you want to buy everything Herff Jones has to offer you, right? When you look through this catalog, if you were like, man, I want the sweatshirt and all the stuff, then sure, go ahead and order the package. It is a good deal to order that instead of ordering all that stuff separately. So you can look through the website, you can decide, do I want to get this package, this one? They all have different packages and different stuff that comes in it. And you may want all this stuff. Your mama may want you to have all this stuff, and that's wonderful. Or you may be thinking, listen, I just want to buy what I have to buy to graduate. So you scroll down and you click continue shopping, and Herff Jones' website is going to take you through a variety of things. It wants you to buy multiple things. So it wants you to buy your announcements, which actually I would encourage you to buy, because announcements are, you send these off to grandma, grandpa, to people who have supported you. And typically they send you back money, right? Money to help you pay for whatever you're doing after graduation. So I would encourage you to buy the official JL Mann announcements. But again, you just scroll on down. There's pages of all kinds of stuff that you can buy. Hit continue shopping. They want you to buy thank you notes. Again, if somebody sends you money, proper etiquette is to send them a thank you note so you can get your official graduation thank you notes. You can get fancy stationery, all that if you want to. That's available. And then they have a bunch of other just stuff you can buy. There's like fancy tassels and sweatshirts. And listen, if you want to buy this stuff, great. I encourage you to. That's great. You've got the money, you spend it. But what you have to buy, pay attention. So we were on the 3rd or 4th page here. This one that says cap, gown, tassel, okay, where it says required items for graduation. This is the one I want you to click on, okay, and it's going to populate. And here is very important. You need to say if you're a male or a female, okay, so I'm going to say I'm a female, all right, and your height is important with shoes, because your gown needs to hit basically at your calf, okay. So, I am rather short, those of you who know me, so I'm going to pick my height here, 5'2", and I'm going to put my weight in here, okay? I wish I weighed 160, but put your real weight in. This doesn't apply to me, so I'm not going to put my real weight in. I wish it was 160. Anyway, put in your weight, because if you're kind of big like me, then we can get you a bigger gown. We have XL size gowns. Otherwise, just, put in your weight. If you are super tall, this is important because some of you are 6 feet 4 inches. We don't want your gown to be, hitting at mid-thigh. We want your gown to be hitting at your calf, just like it's hitting at everybody else's length. And so they are tailored to, these gowns are tailored to your height. So I've put my information in, it's accurate. Hit add cart. If you want to keep buying stuff, great. We don't need to buy stuff. So then on the instructions, remember, we've picked out our graduation products. We've added the products to our cart. Once we're done, then we're going to go click on the cart and we're going to finish buying what we need to buy. So going back here, if you scroll up to the top, my item is in my cart. So I just need to click on my item and I'm going to go to check out, right? I've purchased, what I want to buy. All right. Now you'll notice the total has gone up. Yeah, this is going to happen whether you buy in person or whether you buy online. It's the same price, okay? There is a shipping and handling cost and there are taxes, right? So really the full total of what you have to buy in order to walk at JL Mann's graduation is $77.27. Now, let me be clear. Look at me, okay? This number will go up. If you don't buy the cap and gown by next Tuesday, November 1st, if you wait, let's say you wait till December, you wait till January, this number goes up and up and up. I've seen this number get as high as $250 if you decide to wait until as late as April or May to order your cap and gown. So, if money is no object, then sure, take your time. But if money is important to you, you need to order it now because the price absolutely goes up the longer that you wait. All right. So you fill in your information, you hit checkout, fill in your information, your credit card number, all that stuff, and you purchase it. Okay. Obviously, I don't need to buy a cap and gown. I've already graduated from high school. Okay. So you're going to do that by next Tuesday. Okay. All right. So when are you going to get your cap and gown? You're going to get it on April 12th. That's when Herf Jones will come back and give everybody their cap and gown. Also, I would not recommend that you schedule any pictures until after May 16th, because that's when the senior awards night is going to be. And that's when a lot of you will get like the cords and honor stoles and a lot of swag that a lot of you are going to wear. And, you know, if you're going to have your graduation pictures, you want all that swag. You want to be wearing all that swag for it. All right. A couple of yearbook reminders for you. Again, I'm going to send you this PowerPoint. These are links. So if you want to submit your baby pack picture, you click on the link. If you want to submit your quote, you click on the link. You can see when the deadlines are to purchase these or to submit your senior ad. So these are all things that apply to you as a senior of yearbooks. All right, so again, make sure that you sign up for those backpack texts. If you missed it in the video, then just go back in the video. I've linked the Senior Spotlight in here again. I will go back to the Senior Spotlight because the Senior Spotlight does not just tell you how to order your cap and gown. It also has lots of really helpful information that apply to you as a senior. Like you might be thinking Talisman Day. When is that? May 12th. Okay. You might be thinking, wait, when did she say my cap and gown is going to come to me? April 12th. Okay. You might be thinking, when are senior exams? Right here. Got the date for you. You might be thinking, when's the awards night? Right here. May 16th. Got the date for you. You might be thinking, when's prom? Here's the information. You might be thinking, I've seen people with yard signs that say, you know, so-and-so is going to Clemson or Carolina. Well, you can purchase those right there. The yearbook information is linked right here for you. Okay. You might be thinking, do we have a graduation practice? We don't. I'll send you another video. You might be thinking, when do I get my tickets? Now, this is important. I did mention this in the assembly. Okay. You will pick up your tickets Friday, May 26th. That is the only day that you can pick up your tickets. Now, to be clear, I will only give graduation tickets to you, the senior. I will not give them to a parent. I will not give them to a sibling. I will only give graduation tickets to you, the senior. So seniors, make sure you don't go out of town early before that long weekend. You do have to come get your tickets at your assigned time. You're like, when's my assigned time? Oh my gosh, it's written for you in the senior spotlight. All right. You may be thinking, what do I have to wear at graduation? Is there a dress code at graduation? Yes, there is a dress code at graduation. So you can read about that and you can read about what you can't wear. You might be thinking, gosh, what about pictures? Like, how do I get a picture of me and Dr. Gibson getting my diploma? All of that information is in the senior spotlight for you. You might even be thinking, when is graduation? What a great question. Oh, graduation is Tuesday, May 30th at 11:30 a.m. at the Bon Secours Wellness Arena. When do I get there? Oh, 10:30. Like all this stuff is written for you in the senior spotlight. And then I even have dates right here to kind of help you look at that. So you have access to all of this. Please reference it. And if you have any questions, okay, come see Miss White. Come see myself. I'm in 933. Miss White is usually available at lunch. Also, if you need another graduation packet, just come by 933 and you can pick it up for me. And if you have any questions about graduation, come see me in 933 or send me an email. Again, I am Ms. Kreider and I am happy to help you. So that's it for our video. All right. See ya.